Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing well. I just wanted to do another video. I went shopping today. I have been looking for some aluminum rings that I was gonna use for arborist work or climbing really. So I was looking in arborist magazines. I was looking in online at different websites for companies that sold arborist equipment. And I was also looking for some accessory cord, and I found this also. I went to REI. They sell a lot of things. They sell things for hiking, camping. They sell tents. They sell climbing equipment. Let's see, boating, all types of stuff, outdoor stuff. So what happened was I was looking for these aluminum rings because I was going to make a retrievable friction saver for doing trimming trees. And I'm experimenting with that. So I needed some small rings. Now the arborist catalogs that I was looking in, they were running from $15 or so for a small 28 millimeter SMC ring like this. And these are nice rings. They're rated for 32 KN. So they're pretty nice. But see, at REI, I was able to purchase these for $5.95 a piece. I got those rings, so that was like, a third of what I was going to pay somewhere else. So that was pretty nice. And now for this cordage, some people buy this stuff already stitched and sewn and cut to a certain length. Now I just wanted something so that I could make my own friction hitches and add, instead of using a rope grab, I could use kind of like a prusik or some other type of friction hitch. So at any rate, I looked at this at REI, and I got 30 feet of this 8 millimeter accessory cord, and that cost me $19.45. So I got all of this for $33.23. So I got my 2 rings and I got my cordage. And like I said, they actually sell a lot of things made for rock climbing, but there is like an overlap between rock climbing and tree work in that they still do climbing. Things like carabiners, even some of the helmets, the Black Diamond brand, a lot of that stuff is used by tree workers as well. They also have Petzl equipment in there. So I was able to find some nice equipment at a reasonable price. So if you're still looking for equipment or want to expand your horizons as far as where you buy your equipment for either climbing or arborist work, do check out REI. I do not work for them, but I do know I saved some money there. So give them a try, because like I said, I got these 2 rings. These are 2 quality aluminum rings, and I got this accessory cord. You see, this is pretty decent stuff. I'm going to try it out, and I may do another video to let you know how it's going. But I was able to get these things for under $35. So this is a nice addition to what I'm using now, as I get out there and practice and then have fun and always be safe. Again, I'm not telling you what to buy because I am not qualified to do so. I just want to share with you that I saved some money, got some pretty nice stuff at REI. So continue to look at the regular places where you get arborist equipment, but give REI a consideration. Check their website out, because they saved me some money. I may wind up going back for some other stuff. But thanks for watching. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. And until next time, just be blessed.